Hi everyone, this is Charlene, and I have something really cute and fun to share with you all. This is a little mini field notes journal. It's about 6 by 4 3/4, and I've got lace on the spine and here and some pretty organza ribbon. This is a guest design team for Marilou Fallows. Her Etsy shop is Porchswingdesigns, where she has all kinds of beautiful digitals, and then porchswings.net for her journals, which are also very beautiful. So this was a real fun little kit. This is how it looks. She's got 3 parts to the kits, and I didn't use all of them because I ran out of room. So anyways, this cover is actually part of her kit as this paper here, and I used it for the inside. And please excuse my ratty looking nails. I just haven't had a chance to do them because I've been busy making journals. So anyways, says field notes, and it's got a little pocket here and a field notes tag. Everything has been tea stained lightly, and I really love this paper. I'll probably be using this on a lot of the inside covers of my journals because it's so pretty. So here's some of her paper, and pretty much everything in here is hers except for some lace and some coffee dyed paper. So here's a little tag, and it's inked on around the edges with some butterflies. Oops, get that in there. And it has lots of little butterflies and bugs and cute little things that are fussy cut that you can take out and put on whatever you want. So here's the same little bird. Not the same little bird. This is a different little bird. Okay. And here's a Hermelinda tag that she has a tutorial on how to make those. And then pretty pages, digitals. This says researcher. And I love this page. I love them all, but I really love this one. And in here is an envelope that I put this on the front of it, and I also included some of the extras because there's so much. It's just more that I could use. So I put all these in here, and then this will be listed in my Etsy shop. So if I can get that back in there. So whoever gets this can put those little cards wherever they like. And here's a little journaling paper. There's plenty of room to journal in here. Oh, I did put a piece of washi tape right here because when I was inking around it, I got ink on my thumb and made a nice cute little thumbprint right there. So I put some washi tape to cover it up. So looks like it was supposed to be there, doesn't it? Anyways, that's what I did. That's what we all do. We make a mistake, we cover it up. So here's another little journal card. Some pretty paper. I have a little flip up with some of the fussy cut butterflies and a tag. There's more tags than I used that you can use and from the kit. I really like it. It's pretty. And then here's a specimen envelope with a pretty specimen butterflies there. Aren't those beautiful? I love them. So that goes here in this pocket. And it has these little tabs you can use. And here's some more journal cards or specimen cards. This says field notes. I made a little pocket out of the extra. I printed it on cardstock. So I made a little pocket, little side tuck right there. It says specimen. So, little booklet. I also used some of the specimen cards, and I punched out flowers for it and put a little lace behind it. Here's a little specimen card. You can, a little, I forget what you call that. And then another envelope with a journal card in it. I really like the print on that. So I did it here too, and I have a cute little forest chipmunk there, and a pocket here, some pretty birdies. I like to add a little lace to all my journals. Here's a little belly band with a bird tucked in, that same beautiful butterfly. It says journal and researcher, and I put a little lace right there. And here's one of the tabs. Here's another envelope. Oh, that paper clip's gonna, oh, it's hooked on the other side. Oh boy. So anyways, here's another envelope with a couple of field notes cards in it. It's hard to pull it off when it's wrapped around the edge of the page. And this has got some nice lines. Here's another little, whoops, flip up. It's a Rita Donnelly flip up. And then I have a tag and a couple of journal cards. Whoops. Hope I'm in frame. Here's a little tuck spot. Isn't that robin pretty? I love little robins. And look at this beetle. Ooh, kind of creepy, but cute. There's a little cutout you can put there. This is a little little something to hang this on. So I put that there. Boy, I just can't think of anything today. Here's another little side tuck with some of that pretty lace. This lace is so pretty. I get it from Hobby Lobby, and I love this page. It could be used as a page, or you could, you know, tear it up and use it as a collage. And here's the back, and it has a journal, 3 little journal cards. Well, a big one, and a couple of other ones, and a little one, and another corner pocket. So this is it. This is the little journal that's made by Marilou's kid at Porchswingdesigns. So I hope you like it. My next journal is going to be one for a little girl I know. It's a teenage girl I know, actually, and it's going to be all blue, and she wants some panda bears in it, so I think that'll be real cute. And I'm using Stamperia paper, so I'll be back and I'll show you that one when it's finished. It'll be interesting to mix Stamperia paper with panda bears. Oh my. Okay, anyways, you all take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.